Hello everyone, this is Apurva Pandita and welcome to Livelaw. Today I bring you a comprehensive update on a significant legal development in India concerning the state of Manipur. We all have been hearing as to what has been happening in Manipur lately. Whether it is on Instagram, Twitter or any other social media platform, the outrage against the Manipur viral video has been quite eminent. This video has sent shockwaves across the nation. So let us take a step back to trace the timeline of events that led to this unfolding tragedy. Well, just recently the video surfaced, leaving the entire country in a state of outrage. It shed a glaring light on the gravity of the situation in Manipur, where a brutal incident allegedly occurred on May 4. The location was Kangpokpi, located within the Tengnoupal district. 3 women found themselves caught in the midst of such a brutal, heart-wrenching incident. A violent mob had viciously attacked their village in Kangpokpi district, forcing them to flee. Little did they know that their attempt to escape this terror would lead them into an even darker abyss. The video exposed a horrifying ordeal, painting a haunting picture of the trauma these women endured. As the visual circulated like wildfire, so did the outrage. And as of now, that is on 24th of July, a public interest litigation, that is a PIL, has been filed before the Supreme Court of India seeking an independent expert committee to inquire into the incidents of sexual assault and ongoing violence in the state. If we rewind back to May, initially in the month of May itself, the Supreme Court was approached to look into the brutal violence happening in the state of Manipur. The court, though acknowledged the seriousness of the matter, was reluctant to pass any proactive orders, emphasizing that it is for the state government as well as the Manipur High Court to take care of the situation. The court emphasized that it should not be used as a platform for further escalation of violence. Those petitions are pending in the Supreme Court. Please note that in the previous petition, there was a demand of an SIT, that is a special investigation team, to probe the atrocities committed on the tribals allegedly by the members of the dominant Meitei community. This petition was filed by the Manipur Tribal Forum, and the petition filed on 24th of July is a new petition. This comes in the wake of a graphic video that we have been talking about, drawing renewed attention to allegations of human rights violations amidst the ethnic clashes in Manipur. The petition has been filed states that the violence and arson in various districts including Churachandpur, Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Tengnoupal and Kangpokpi have been a matter of grave concern, with allegations of sexual assaults, rape, molestation, firing, bomb shelling and riots. These incidents have raised serious questions about the rule of law and the protection of human rights as provided under Articles 14 and 21 of the Constitution. The PIL petition filed by Advocate Vishal Tiwari seeks an expert committee led by a former judge of the Supreme Court to conduct an independent inquiry into the ongoing violence and alleged sexual assault cases in Manipur. The petition has accused both the union and the state governments of inaction in response to the ethnic tensions between the Meitei, Kuki and Naga communities. These tensions escalated following a High Court order directing the state government to consider granting the majority Meitei community scheduled tribe status. The petitioner claims that the lack of preventive and corrective measures by the governments has allowed the situation to deteriorate, rekindling long-standing ethnic fault lines. The Supreme Court has already taken suo motu cognizance of the viral video and directed the central and state governments to file comprehensive affidavits detailing the steps they have taken to hold the perpetrators accountable and prevent similar incidents in the future. However, Advocate Vishal Tiwari's PIL petition seeks to provide further assistance to the court by presenting additional facts and suggestions to address the situation effectively. The petitioner has pointed out that Manipur Police's response to the incident in question was inadequate, as they described it as a mere case of abduction, gang rape and murder, failing to treat it as a cognizable offence as per the criminal law system. This, the petitioner argues, is a violation of the Supreme Court's 2008 ruling in the Lalita Kumari case. The ruling mandates the mandatory registration of a first information report, that is FIR, under Section 154 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, when a cognizable offence is disclosed to the police. Failure to register an FIR in such cases has been deemed a severe violation of the fundamental right to life, liberty and dignity guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. Also, the petitioner has urged the court to intervene and de-escalate the situation immediately. The lack of FIR registration by the police not only raises doubts about their actions but also indicates potential collusion with the offenders, obstructing access to justice for the women of Manipur. This was all for this video. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned to Livelaw for the latest updates on this story and other legal developments from the High Courts and the Supreme Court of the country. Thank you.